Hey, what's happening, Shiba Inu holders? So we are seeing a strong recovery here this morning from SHIB and the overall crypto market. Love what I'm seeing. We're going to dive a little bit deeper into this recovery, just the percentage that it's come back in the last 3 days, and also how many holders are now back in the green with the prices getting close to that 4-0 level. And it's amazing how many people are just in the green now with the levels are where they are, and more people will continue to be in the profit as this upswing continues. So we're going to jump into it here in this video. Market cap is back up over 20 billion. Like to see that number for sure. And in terms of number of holders, we haven't looked at it for a little while. There we go. 1,045,024 holders right now. That number is going up here in the last 24 hours. Love seeing that as well. Head over to TradingView. We could see that we're up about 2.72% right now. From the technical perspective, we're looking at the summary right now on the 1 day. It's pretty neutral. 4 hours still a sell. 2 hour is neutral. 1 hour, we're looking at a buy alert here. 30 minutes buy, 15 back to neutral, 5 is sell, 1 minute is neutral. So kind of all over the place from a technical perspective inside the 1 day. And when we look at the hourly outlook, however, we are slowly coming back. This could get to a point where we could turn very bullish here very soon. But 2 green candlesticks slowly working back here, and really like where we're heading here on the charts. Of course, this was the big pop back in October, and we're trying to get back to those levels, right? This was back in late October, and it's been a slow decline, but this has been the overall market. Now, we jump into this article. It says Shiba Inu recovers 30% in the last 3 days, putting 64% of holders back in the profit. So love seeing that. This was a $400 million dump for SHIB. Strong recovery, though, has followed as we're watching. But you today reported that SHIB whales and large holders have sold 400 million of their holdings, but have already bought back approximately 100 million. The strong selling pressure appeared after the token already lost a couple of percent of its value, but the whales are coming right back in, and the majority of people in Shiba Inu still remain in the profit, according to Into the Block Indicator. I didn't know about this website. Very cool. Into the Block Indicator. A total of 64% of all Shiba Inu holders are now trading or holding tokens in the profit, while less than 30% of traders are at a loss. That means 7% of holders are holding at the price, which means they're breaking even. If SHIB loses an additional 14%, the majority of the market will be at a loss that might initiate the appearance of strong selling pressure on the market, which I don't know why people still sell when they're in a loss, because you can't lose if you don't sell. If you believe in the project, you should never sell in a loss. Not financial advice, just my opinion here. But if Shiba Inu loses an additional 14%, that could trigger people to sell. This would exacerbate the current condition of the token. But again, I'm calling all Shiba Inu holders out there. When you're in the loss, you don't want to sell. You don't want to not make money. Wait for the market to come back and get back in the green, and then sure, you could take profits along the way. I won't hate on you there, but I'm not going to hate on you regardless, but you get my drift, right? I don't think you should be selling in the red. That's not the name of the game. It's not the game we're playing. We're trying to make money, right? And, first off, I just want to say, I guess not first off, but let me take a sip real quick. Okay. I just want to say thank you. Just want to make sure that, you know that I know how grateful I am for each and every one of you out there. For coming back to this channel each and every day through the thick and thin. I love y'all. I really do. And I appreciate all the guidance, all the support, all the great people over at the Patreon and Discord. And it's just been an amazing, amazing ride. And we're 8 months in. I'm going to continue to be rocking out every single day for you videos, and just enjoying the journey. Couldn't do it without any of you. And if you want a little bit more of me, you can come on over to the Patreon. This link's down below in the description. We've got $10 and $20 packages, and it's all about growing in all facets of life. It's about growing our portfolios and winning together. That's what we're trying to do. And right now, everybody's winning with this market ripping back. We're back up 9% today, looking fantastic as Ethereum is back up over $4,400. Love seeing that. Thank you so much for stopping by. Appreciate it, and I will see you all in the next video. Oh yeah, like this, subscribe.